Look at these cars in here, man. Oof. Some serious cars. So if you guys are looking for some serious places that's going to be able to build your guys' Corvettes or Chevy products, LS, LT platforms, make sure you guys come ahead.
I'm saying it's dirty enough, I might as well just take it to the track right now.
You could just drive it there 3 hours.
I don't want to get in there. Yeah.
Since I don't work here.
It's all different cars here.
So I don't want to do that thing. Busy. Some guys out of Temecula built it for the most part, and then I think they're using
That thing's beautiful on the inside. Yeah, the inside.
Yeah, it's got an LC1 in it.
This Defender LS3 swapped. All the different cars.
See, he got rid of that 920.
I'm telling you guys, this is a Corvette shop to go to in Southern California. This is the Corvette shop to go to in Southern California. Got the same wing I do. Look at this. Dang, look at crazy. Borla Attack. These are the Borla Attacks. Oof. What you mean when you guys say you cut out the bottom?
He's got a whole under tray that covers all the way underneath.
Yeah.
With the stock style lip, it's an aluminum one.
Yeah. You think you need to cut this for mine or probably not?
Oh, we can. I mean, I don't see why not. We'll put a cooler in there. There's no point.
Yeah, no, I'm saying like I was talking to Kushan about maybe getting an extra oil cooler in there.
That would be an idea.
Yeah. So don't mind me, I'm just filming a little bit. You guys can talk, by the way. This will be background music. Yeah, so say your camera sucks, your car sucks, Kushan, slow, whatever you want to say.
Tell dirty jokes.
Oh yeah, go for it. But y'all, we are back with the Vet Man, and oh my gosh, you guys can see the DSC Tractive Shocks I got in the car. We're giving updates and just, man, look at all the different things we are doing. So many different parts, man. Got the Ron Davis custom radiator. Ron Davis radiator. All right, man. So tell me what's the update, man? What's new? What's new on the car so far?
Well, it's all blown apart. So.
Well, you were saying what is this?
So it's the built front cover. We ditched the VVT. It's got the new cam in it. I believe it's at 30%. Bigger lobe on the fuel pump.
Oh, we got, let's see, like the push rods.
So your heads are done.
Okay, yeah. So
Right here.
there we go.
The valve springs are all in.
Okay, so the valve springs are all in.
Dual springs.
Yeah.
And the retainers.
All right, perfect. So this is the Katech Valley cover.
Yeah.
Right here. Oh, it's all good, y'all. So we got lots of different parts in here. We got some Katech stuff going. Race lifters. Do you guys do the lifters?
Lifters are out, but they're in that box right there.
Oh, okay, cool.
Headers and stuff.
All right, cool. So we got the lifters over here. As you guys can see, we got the headers as well. We got the X pipe right there. It's actually really crazy to see like the difference of like the stock X pipe, and then you just have that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, this thing's probably gonna be massively loud, huh?
No, we did. Yours has a little muffin. Yeah, it'll be loud.
Oh yeah, no, it's I got the same set that Kushan had. I got the same Catback, y'all. The same X pipe and headers that he had. So whatever way it sounded for his car, it's probably gonna be similar to that. So it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be fun. I haven't really been underneath here too much. Yeah, as you guys can see, man, they actually like made this kind of nice down here. Yeah, we gotta go ahead and put put this bad boy back on, but as you guys can see, it's looking nice. It's looking super nice. LG sway bars right there. So RaceTech you says over there. Valve spring kit, you said it's inside of that already. The push rod you said it's already inside of there. The cat.
Let's go in after that. Let's go back.
Okay, cool. And then the catch can you says like in there somewhere.
Yeah, catch can for it, is that? We've already, I think that's with the blower in the other shop.
Oh, okay. So that's in the blower in the other shop. Got a few different things. It's like front timing cover, got that. Timing chain set. That can be a.
That's already on. That's an LS3 timing gear, and then your.
That's inside of here.
That's behind that cover. The bolt onto the camshaft.
Oh, okay, cool.
So that's your whole can right there. And then.
Oh, I get. So the timing chain set goes with the cam.
Yeah, and this is the old. This is the VVT that we. That's what that cover does.
Oh, I
see.
see.
The VVT junk.
So yeah, so you don't need that. Oh.
Factory's a variable valve timing junk.
Okay.
It sucks.
You don't need it. So basically, put something better in there and just kind of delete
yeah,
it.
we just put a single gear. It's just basically it's a front cam gear off of like an LS3.
Okay.
Right here, this lobe is the fuel pump lobe, the high pressure fuel pump.
Yeah.
It runs off of this lobe here.
Okay.
So it's a taller lobe on your new cam.
Oh, I get it. Okay.
So it's 30% taller.
Oh, nice.
That's the sheet for it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so here's the specs. Okay, yeah. So that's.
Yeah.
I get it. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, man. Oh yeah, here's the old LT4 setup. Old intake, old LT4 setup. Old pipes. Yeah, you can see like. I bet that old stuff is heavy too.
Oh yeah, you save a bunch of.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm feeling this. This alone, I think, is heavier than this entire pipe.
Well, that's the biggest thing.
Yeah.
Biggest reason to go to headers versus just the downpipes, or
Yeah, like,
is the weight.
man, like you can see, you can feel this, and feel. Oh yeah, y'all. Like you can.
The headers weigh a lot less.
Yeah, this is.
Because you're really not getting a whole lot more power out of just the headers.
No. But as far as the racing I'm doing, the weight's going to be really, really nice. You guys can see how much bigger it is. See the headers. Damn, look at ceramic coated AFE X pipe, ceramic coated AFE headers, AFE intake. We got ceramic coated AFE exhaust. So this is basically a full-on AFE build for sure. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, y'all, so we got a bunch of stuff. The stuff inside. All right, man, so we were talking about like maybe possibly doing pulleys for the car. So what exactly was the thought and the logic about what we might be doing?
Well, we're doing a 10% on the lower. It's gonna give us a little more grip. And then we're going a little bigger on the upper too, so we're not gonna deal with belt slippage on the blower. It's not gonna overdrive the blower too much either. Usually I can get them out without pulling the radiator, but since you got the bigger radiator.
Oh yeah, you had to get the radiator out.
Get the radiator out in order to get the cam all the way out.
Oh, so that's why.
The cam comes from here and I gotta pull it all the way out.
Oh yeah, I think I saw that. Oh man, like I said, I'm just so excited, man. It's so crazy to see like the car, like everything out. You know what I mean? Yeah. I've never seen an LT4 like in this shape, like this. Well, not this shape. You know what I mean? Like where you can kind of see everything.
Yeah. So those are those springs on there. They're dual springs now, so it's kind of a safety thing.
It's stronger, right?
Well, they're stronger and they have a better. You know, obviously they're better for the cam.
Yeah.
But they're dual springs, so even if you were to break one of the springs from revving too high or whatever, you'll still have the secondary spring in there to keep you from dropping the valve into the.
Oh, I get it. With these cards, because people have said they're pretty, for the most part, they're really bulletproof. Like if you don't push them too much, like
they're basically. I always tell people 800 horsepower is a good number for them.
I just want to say thanks, man. Seriously, like I know I've taken up a lot of your time today.
No, it's we're getting ready to load and go, so we didn't get a whole lot of work.
But yeah, no, man, this thing is this has been my dream build for so long, man. I've been saving up. I still have been saving up. Like it's just kind of cool to finally see, like, you know what I mean? Like your dream car is like in your face. And you're finally like, I mean, I've already done a lot with you guys. I don't even know how much money I've given you guys for all that in the car. Like, there's a lot. The rear of the car, like from the seats back, like that top carpet part, could you just like take that out?
Oh, you want to strip out everything?
Yeah, can you take the carpet out? How you guys did the front? Can you just take like the back out?
Yeah, we can take all that.
Yeah, can you just take anything that's like carpet? You can just take it out. I don't need it.
You're over the car here?
Yeah, just take it out. Just take it out. Like if you see something that's like unnecessary in there, they're like, doesn't really, you know what I mean?
Take out your AC, I can take out your
Yeah, take the AC.
I mean, I don't want to give you guys too much work because I know you guys are backed up, but like, eventually it will just be like the little, you know, like the little dash, like just like small little dash, and this is a little wheel.
So pulling your AC unit out, just so you know, is like probably $20.
Yeah, I know. Man, guys, like, it's right here, y'all. Dream build, man. It is so close to being done. We are literally in the home stretch of the car being done. Oh man, this thing is so beautiful. This thing is so damn beautiful, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This thing is freaking, oh, it's love. What is love? Baby, no hurt me. No hurt me. No more. Like, I'm just so thankful, you guys. I'm so blessed and just happy to truly have you guys all part of this journey. Just being a part of this build. This is literally my dream car. This is my car I've wanted for years. This is literally the car I will have. I will never sell this car. This is my dream car, guys. Like, I have my dream car. I'm just so happy, man. Everything about this build is truly coming together. And man, I'm just so thankful for this channel. Thank you guys for the support, for being here with me to experience this. Like, look at that. Like, oh my gosh, man. Like, it's great.